I am your English teacher Aditi Day. As you all know that yesterday I have completed the exercises given in the page number 4 of English Literature workbook beta. Today I am going to start with exercises C and D in the page number 5 beta. Okay. So the exercise C is given about the opposites of the given nouns. If husband is given, opposite is wife. If nephew is given, opposite is niece. Okay. So this type of uh, exercise is given in the exercise C, and in the exercise D you have to tell about that the common gender, neuter gender, masculine or feminine. It is about that. Okay. So you have to fill in your workbook with the help of pencil only. Don't use pen beta. And after completing your work, if you feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group or personally also beta. Okay, let's start with the exercise C and D given in the page number 5. Class, as you all know that yesterday in the previous classes I have completed up to this exercise B beta. Today I am going to start with gender. So there are 4 types of gender: masculine, feminine, common and neuter. Masculine is related to male, feminine is related to female, common is used for both male and female, and neuter is for non-living things. Okay. So noun used for male persons are masculine gender nouns. Like Hina's uncle is visiting Mumbai. In this, Hina's uncle is masculine, so it is male. Okay, it is used for the male, so it is masculine gender noun beta. Okay, like this. Come to the next page. Nouns used for female persons are feminine gender nouns. A lioness is hiding behind the tree. Lioness is female of lion. Okay. So lioness is hiding behind the tree. It is feminine gender noun beta. Next is noun that are used for female, males and females are called the common gender. Okay. Somesh is talking to the school librarian. Librarian is here common. Either she is librarian or he is librarian according to this. Nouns that refer to non-living objects that are neither male nor female are neuter gender nouns. Did you switch on my laptop? So laptop is here neuter because it is non-living thing. So in the exercise C, write the opposites of the given nouns. Now opposite means nephew means it is masculine. So you have to give the feminine of this. So it is niece. Niece, niece. Princess, it is prince. Opposite of this. Next is husband. Opposite is wife. Goose, gander. Goose is a bird. Next is peahen, peacock. Okay. Peacock. Next is host. Host is again male, so it is hostess. Next is drake. So it will be female. Duck, opposite of this. Female duck. Next is hero, opposite is heroine. Means if masculine is given, you have to write the feminine one, and if feminine is given, you have to write the masculine. Next is exercise D. Identify gender of the underlined nouns in the following sentences and write them in the blanks. Means you have to identify the gender of the underlined. Means in the sentence underlined one is either it is masculine, feminine, common or neuter. Okay, so you have to write here at which one. The hotel manager signed the check. So manager is common here because it is men or woman. Anybody can be a manager, so it is common. Okay. So you have to identify the gender of the underlined nouns in the following sentences and write them in the blanks. Next is doctor. Doctor is again common. Machine. Machine is neuter because it is non-living thing, na? Next is countess. It is feminine. Rita wants to be a chef. Chef is common again. Either it will be a masculine or a feminine. Gagan will meet his teacher tomorrow. Teacher is again common. Okay. Next is astronaut. Astronaut is again common. Actor is again common. Common noun, gender beta. Okay. Come to the next page. Now last two. A tigress jumped over a ditch. Tigress is again feminine. Feminine. Okay. And the last one is wizard. The wizard was old and tall. So it is a masculine. So complete this in your English literature workbook beta with the help of pencil only. Please don't use pen and complete it neatly, nicely as I have completed. Okay. So you can write here gender nouns also if you want. Na? Common gender. Common gender. Common gender. Neuter gender. Okay. Feminine gender. Common gender. Common gender and common gender. Okay, so complete it like this: feminine gender and masculine gender. Thank you beta.